Stay connected wherever the road takes you with the top 5 best CB radios, perfect for truckers, off-roaders, and emergency preparedness. These radios offer reliable communication, clear sound, and must-have features like AM/FM modes, instant channel access, and noise filtering. Discover which CB radio best fits your needs today. Number 1. Uniden 40-channel CB radio. The Uniden PR0505XL 40-channel CB radio is a compact, budget-friendly solution for anyone seeking reliable communication on the road. Despite its small size, it delivers big performance with full 40-channel operation and a public address (PA) function, making it ideal for both professional drivers and CB hobbyists. The Instant Channel 9 emergency button ensures quick access to help when needed, while the channel up-down buttons and SRF meter add convenience and functionality. Built with durability and ease of use in mind, the PR0505XL features advanced microelectronics for optimal performance. Its dynamic squelch control fine-tunes audio clarity by filtering out weak signals, ensuring crisp sound quality. The orange backlit LCD display is perfect for both daytime and nighttime use, showing key information like channel and volume at a glance. The box includes everything to get started: CB radio, microphone with hook, mounting hardware, knobs, and bracket, but requires a separately sold CB antenna. If you want an affordable, dependable, and user-friendly CB radio, the Uniden PR0505XL is a smart choice. Number 2. Cobra Classic AM/FM Professional CB Radio. The Cobra Classic AM/FM Professional CB radio is a trusted communication companion, delivering decades of proven performance in a timeless design. With 4 watts of power and access to all 40 CB channels, it remains a staple in the world of professional CB radios. Its dual-mode AM/FM capability ensures broader communication, allowing for clearer conversations whether you're near or far from other users. Designed with usability in mind, this CB radio features an ergonomic layout and intuitive controls. The included 9-foot microphone cable provides flexibility and convenience, especially in larger vehicles, while reducing clutter. For emergencies, the Instant Channel 9 access connects you directly to emergency broadcasts, vital in areas without cellular coverage. To maintain peak performance, the built-in SWR antenna calibration system lets you adjust for any antenna issues, with a clear illuminated indicator to alert you when tuning is needed. Meanwhile, the adjustable RF gain ensures you get the clearest signal possible by cutting down background noise. Dependable, powerful, and easy to use, the Cobra Classic is CB communication done right. Number 3. Retivvis MB2 Professional CB Radio. The Retivvis MB2 Professional CB radio offers a modern, flexible solution for reliable on-the-road communication. Featuring both AM and FM modes, users can switch between long-range AM for extended distances or FM for crystal-clear audio, adapting to any driving condition. With 40 CB channels, it provides wide coverage without relying on networks or subscriptions. Safety is prioritized with instant access to Emergency Channel 9 and Road Info on Channel 19, making it ideal for truckers and road travelers. The squelch function, with both manual and automatic settings, eliminates background noise to deliver clear communication. A handy VOX hands-free mode allows you to speak without holding the mic, keeping your hands free for driving. Compact and lightweight, the MB2 is portable and easy to install, fitting seamlessly in any vehicle. It features 6 Roger beeps to suit various settings, a 3.5mm port for external speakers, and a detachable microphone for enhanced audio clarity. Simple to operate with an intuitive panel and LED indicators, the Retivvis MB2 is perfect for professional and everyday CB radio users alike. Number 4. Radioddity CB606 CB Radio. The Radioddity CB606 CB radio is a compact yet powerful communication tool designed for drivers, off-roaders, and emergency use. With access to 40 CB channels and advanced scanning capabilities for frequencies, CTCSS, and DCS, it ensures you stay connected and informed on the road. Its FCC ID 2AN62 CB606P guarantees reliable, compliant performance. This versatile CB radio supports AM/FM PA modes, making it suitable for both communication and public announcements. For even better audio clarity, you can connect an external speaker to enhance your listening experience. The large 2.2-inch display is easy to read in all lighting conditions and features 3 brightness levels for maximum visibility, day or night. Enjoy crystal-clear conversations with advanced noise reduction technology, including automatic ASQ and manual squelch/square settings that filter out background noise. Built with a durable and compact design, the CB606 fits neatly into any vehicle, while its large, intuitive buttons make operation simple and distraction-free. For anyone seeking performance, convenience, and rugged reliability, the Radioddity CB606 delivers. Number 5. Galaxy DX959G Mobile CB Radio. The Galaxy DX959G Mobile CB Radio is a top-tier choice for serious CB users, combining advanced features with a bold, user-friendly design. It boasts a 5-digit frequency counter with large orange LED digits and a 2-digit channel display with bright blue LEDs, ensuring excellent visibility day or night. The Galaxy meter displays for critical scales, S-meter, modulation percentage, power, and SWR, perfect for fine-tuning your transmissions. The striking Galaxy Starlight faceplate features white lettering that illuminates in blue or red backlighting, creating a sharp contrast in low-light conditions. The optimized high-performance receive circuit allows you to pick up even the weakest signals, rivaling many high-end amateur radios. Packed with versatile controls, the DX959G includes variable power output, a talkback circuit with on/off switch, automatic SWR circuit with LED alert, and a Roger beep toggle. Additional features like the variable dimmer, 3-position tone control, and Galaxy Noise Filter, GNF, enhance clarity and reduce static, especially in SSB mode. Built for both power and precision, the DX959G is a CB powerhouse.